Take a ride in the 2019 Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.